The Narcotics Control Bureau, probing the seizure of banned drugs from a cruise ship off the Mumbai coast, on Tuesday told a court in Mumbai that the matter has become like the novels of Agatha Christie and Sherlock Holmes, with the new twists and turns every moment. The NCB has so far arrested 16 people, including Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, 23-year-old, in the drug seizure case. Earlier on Tuesday, Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate RM Nerlikar remanded Abdul Qadir Sheikh, 30-year-old, Shreyas Nair, 23-year-old, Manish Rajgariya, 26-year-old, and Avin Sahu, 30-year-old, to the NCB custody till October 11th. The court on Monday remanded Aryan Khan and 7 others to the NCB custody till Thursday. Before making his submissions for the remand of the 4 accused, Special Public Prosecutor Advait Sethna on Tuesday told the court that this case has become like Agatha Christie and Sherlock Holmes novels, as there is a new twist and turn at every moment. Remanding the 4 in the NCB custody till 11th, Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate RM Nerlikar said that considering the nature of the offence, a detailed investigation was necessary to go to the root of the case. Mr. Sethna then moved an application seeking to conduct the remand proceedings of Sheikh in the presence of limited people. To this, the judge said, "It means you want in-camera proceedings." The Special Public Prosecutor's response was affirmative. The NCB said it was forced to take this step, that is, seeking proceedings in the presence of a limited number of people, as today's remand is already in media coverage. The anti-drugs agency said it wanted to find out how it was leaked. It further submitted that a request has been made to minimize the exposure of the accused. However, the magistrate asked how Sheikh's identity could be protected when his name is already mentioned in the remand application. On the NCB's application regarding the presence of media persons, the court said it cannot restrain media and rejected the application. Seeking custody, Sethna told the court that Sheikh was arrested from suburban Jogeshwari in Mumbai around 6 p.m. on Monday, and a commercial quantity of a drug was seized from him. The NCB said it had seized 2.5 gram ecstasy and 54.3 gram mephedrone from Sheikh. He was arrested based on the information revealed during the custodial interrogation of other accused Mohag Jaswal, who has been arrested, the NCB said. The agency further submitted that 2 gram charas was recovered from Nair. According to the NCB, both Sheikh and Nair are drug suppliers. The 2 other arrested accused, Rajgariya and Sahu, were guests on the cruise ship. In view of the seizures, a nexus, links, role and involvement of all these persons required further corroboration, the NCB said. Sheikh, Nair, Rajgariya and Sahu were booked under sections 8C, that is, produce, manufacture, possess, sell or purchase of drugs, and 27, punishment for consumption of any narcotics or drugs, and 27A, punishment for financing illicit traffic and harboring offenders that come under the Narcotics Drugs Psychotropic Substances Act. Advocate Apurva Srivastava, appearing for Sheikh, said his client was made a scapegoat to hide big faces. Mr. Srivastava contended that Sheikh didn't know Jaswal. The advocate said he didn't understand why Jaswal took Sheikh's name. He further said that Sheikh was arrested a day after seizure of drugs, which means it was a premeditated case. The advocate, however, said Sheikh may be sent to custody for investigation for a brief period. Advocates of other accused objected to the remand application of the NCB, saying either a small number of drugs was seized from their clients or no seizure was made at all. The anti-drugs agency has so far arrested 16 people, including Aryan Khan, after raiding the Goa-bound ship on Saturday. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.